Welcome everybody, welcome to Excel Prop. We are back again with another video. So we were just passing through the KIADB Aerospace Park, and we just got the invitation from Assetz Group as they are preparing to launch another 5-acre land parcel within the KIADB Aerospace Park. This is going to be Assetz the Codename Summit premium project. Exclusively only 3 BHK inventories will be there inside the property. So I'm just trying to open the EOI form to read out the pricing, everyone. Right, let me first show you the location of the project. Where does this exactly comes up? This is Sora and Saki. So right behind that we got a 5-acre land parcel by Assetz Group that they'll be launching it very soon, and that project is going to be again a premium 3 BHK apartment starting from 1,49 lakhs. These are all neighbors to Assetz, everybody. This is Godrej. Here we have MGR, we got the Brigade, then of course the Provident is there, Prestige is there, upcoming Satwa, Niku, and all these things. They have got the 5-acre land exactly adjacent to the financial district and exactly right behind the Sora and Saki project. So what are the terms and conditions and what is the pricing square feet? Let me tell you. Let us go inside as it is drizzling here outside. Only two typology of 3 BHKs. One is 1518, 1518 square feet. Another is 1788 square feet of 3 BHK premium apartments. See, whenever we talk about the assets, those who have already seen the assets properties, they're already aware. Like, they always come up with the premium luxury segment projects in the market. In KIADB Aerospace Park in North Bangalore, the 250-acre residential area and a part of 3,000-acre development which is there, even there they are the first to come up with the luxury segment apartment within this KIADB Aerospace Park. So here comes another opportunity to those who have missed earlier in Sora and Saki. If you are looking out and if you are interested to invest in 1500 square feet starting from 1,49 lakh onwards, see, the pricing is something what I really liked, personally liked it, because the per square feet rate is going to be somewhere 10,000 to 10,500 per square feet rate. We have other top builders nearby. I'm not going to name, but we already know what the price they are quoting at 1 crore 90 lakhs, 1 crore 95, 2 CR. This is the general pricing which is expected from the other developers. Here they are ready to, they have already announced that they'll be coming up with the project. Already work is going on, the sales office work and other things are going on. Let me first show you Sora and Saki project from outside. Right behind that we got the upcoming project, a code name by name Summit. Right, Assetz Codename Summit. You might see a lot of social advertisements about this project. If you have missed opportunity earlier, don't miss out this time. We are coming here, we are trying to show you to make sure that you're at least getting some big opportunities. Grab it. So otherwise, again, after a few years you will call us and ask for the same pricing, which is not possible. You might lose the opportunities, everybody. The similar way, if you go back 5-6 years ago, the prices were too low here in KIADB Aerospace Park. Today we know the pricing what is going on. Even after 5 years, again, those customers who will still be looking out for property, the new buyers in the market, they might feel the market price is very high even after 5 years, right? But if you are going to take this advantage of having a 3 BHK Assetz Codename Summit at 1,49 lakhs, of course this price excludes the other charges, but again, if you see the all-inclusive price is also not touching other developers pricing here, you just need to contact us. We are waiting for your call. So however, you can see the numbers are coming on the screen and also on the title. You will get it in the description, or you may contact us 6360-219-373. Now let us go and see let me go and show you the Sora and Saki project from outside that we'll look out, and behind is where the project is coming. All the neighboring projects to Assetz Codename Summit property, and the road that we are right now, this is going to be the future expressway. So we don't know from where it is starting and where it is ending, but top builders have already shown in their sales the miniatures. That's why there is a land left in between the MGR and Godrej, and in between the power station and the Brigade Eldorado. Everybody, don't miss out this opportunity if you are interested to invest, and if you've been waiting to invest in something premium apartment with affordable pricing. I mean, affordable pricing compared to the market rate, whatever is going on. Simple. If you misses out, some other will take the advantage. It's all simple example, everybody. You miss out, some other person will take the advantage and he will be investing and he'll get the profit. So you do it if you're watching us early, and if he watches later on, if he is interested in, if he is investing, we give him the inventories. So here we have the Assetz Sora in Saki. Even this project has got some 36 months pre-EMI holiday concept. This is also a premium project, everybody. So right exactly behind this, we have got the 5-acre upcoming project by Assetz, the same developer. This is the same developer we are referring. So we have met the sales team at the site. We have taken the information, and don't miss out this opportunity. Let's say even if you're interested to invest in Assetz Sora and Saki, you may also reach us for the project. See, a lot of projects are expected to launch by Assetz project in northeast of Bangalore. North only, they have got 4 projects which are expected to launch within this quarter. So grab it, everybody, grab it. You just need to come and see the sample apartments by the Assetz that they build and the way they deliver it. Their balcony size is almost a size of somebody, I mean the properties what we have seen here, someone's house kitchen actually. Well, that's it from our side. Thank you so much for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe and follow our channel if you are interested to know more about the property in Bangalore and Hyderabad. Have a nice day. If you have already invested or purchased any property, do refer this with your friends and family. Let them also invest and let them also become rich like you are today. Have a nice day. Stay safe.